So let's see how easy it is to repair an Aiper Seagull Pro. There's not too many things you can do on it. Mainly you can remove the wheels. A little bit of debris in there. Wear inside here and here, which will need replacing, so they're going to wear out. Gear that you can replace is this gear. Other than that, there's only 2 screws in the bottom, here and here. Two screws inside that you can get to.